Howdy, and welcome to Matt's former LS swapped, but now VQ35HR swapped S13 coupe. It's been years since I last drove Matt's car, and last time it was LSX swapped, I believe with an L33. Yes, I did make a video long ago, and yes, I am cringe lord in it, so please don't watch it. Since then, Matt has blown many LS engines while building the S13 through the years. Now, the car's focus is for grid life touring car. I'm going to do a driver build and profile on Matt and his beloved S13, so stay tuned for that. Today, Matt is shaking down the newly VQ swapped S13 for grid life Wisconsin. I'm going to put down some laps as well, just to bring you the visceral experience of this car. If you like driving fast and you like cars and you like driving cars fast, please consider subscribing, liking, and commenting your thoughts. Let's take the red beast out for a spin. All them. Oh, finally. Oh, baby. Hello. How are you, little one? Hello. I love you so much. Welcome back. Oh, yes. Much race car. So stoked on this. Don't want my boys to be pinching. That's as far as it'll go. We are right in the crotch, but it's not that bad. We got this battle pig.
All right, you're good to go, man.
That's crazy.
Let me get the little.
Yeah. That's so badass. Okay.
Enjoy.
And we're like, I'll be back in about 3 or 4 laps.
Touch it super high. Super high.
Oh, there it is. This is way up there. Here we go. Yeah, the front end's kind of pushing a little bit. Just a little bit. You gotta solve the steering. It's a rowdy boy. It's so rowdy. Woo! Oh, those downshifts are really nice. That brake is deep. Woo! Hell yeah, brother. So much understeer right there. Oh my God. Oh. This is dope. This is tight. A little understeering, but it's fine. Matt said with the splitter, it's a lot less understeer.
car, but I want to drive his car more though. Not really, no. He definitely wants to drive his car more, but this is so much fun. Got ABS now, so I can dive in. Last time I drove this car, he didn't have ABS. Now it's gripped up, baby. Shifting the red line. Whew, man, this thing is actually very stable. About he said chill out if it's at 210, so we'll kind of like slow it down. 128.3. I could definitely shave off a lot more time, but I'm not going to drive the hell out of this car because it's Matt's car and he's here for the shakedown. Dude, okay. Holy shit. Damn, this car is like, it's rowdy, but it's so like welcoming. It's a welcoming experience. I'd love to stay out in this car, but we got to give Matt his car back. Temperatures have dropped. It was at 206. Now it's dropping down 199. So we're good. This car is awesome. Like the LS was fantastic, but this car is a different experience. This feels a little bit more cohesive. Like it feels like this VQ belongs in here. And yes, Nissans are like Legos. Old Nissans are like Legos, a lot of interchangeable parts, but he did have some struggle getting this car in, putting the starter in certain areas, and he had to move it a certain area, and I don't know, he's had some trouble, but it's not like super bad. This car fucks! This car absolutely fucks. You're gonna get a lot of me just screaming the whole time. Just woo! Like, dude, I want to keep driving it. I just want to keep driving it, but I was like, no. This is Matt's shakedown day.
Yeah, no, I need
I was just so happy. Like, my only thing is like, you're right. The front end does push mid corner as well. If you heard me pop a little bit going down the hill to try to rotate it a bit more, the ass end is planted. Like it is so stable back there. That's a really nice car.
It's sick,
dude. It is so well planted, like just everywhere. Going through.
I saw the car just
going through Mustang. Yeah, I was sitting there and I'm like, I'm turning and I was like, boom, boom. And I was just like, no. I was like, we're good. Like, it's fine.
So
but
these are shocks I bought used in 2017.
Yeah.
I'm doing full Pinty's 3-ways.
Okay.
I just like keep wasting money on engines. So anyways, the shocks are like kind of boo-boo, but they'll be good.
Dude, this is so badass, dude. This is a rad car. It's rowdy. The way I describe it is rowdy, but it's welcoming.
You can tell it's a race car, but it's also.
Let's be rowdy together. Like I won't fuck you up. Like we're good. You can do this. And you're like, yes. Have you ever seen the Japanese meme where the Japanese fisherman's in the water? He's like giving a motivational speech. He's like, yeah, I'm in like negative whatever degrees Celsius water.
Oh, okay.
And he's like, you there. He's like, don't give up. He's like, never give up. And then his whole thing's like, never give up. And then it's like, I'll send it to you later. But this car is literally that.
Okay,
in person. Like this is it's encouraging.
All right, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and call it here. Matt's S13 is an all-around amazing time. The steering, the suspension, the way it feels, how it revs, the power delivery is fantastic. And I thank Matt for letting me have a go. I wish him good luck from the car gods, as his luck has been crazy and not quite the best, but I can see it looking up from here. Thank you so much for watching this far, and please consider subscribing, as I am very close to my 1,000 subscriber goal. More content soon like this, but until next time, bye.